All right, so this is an attempt to show you how to remove, I'm just going to show you by a little step how to remove the clear coat off an Airstream. Now I'm just going to do this one little spot right here because I'm doing it with one hand because I'm videoing, okay? But here's how it's done. You just take your, actually, let's see if I can set this here. Maybe actually flip this, okay? Nah, okay. All right, here we go. We just paint the aircraft remover. Just paint the aircraft remover on like that, right? Nice and thick. See, thick, thick, thick. As thick as you can. Here we get down here. Fuck, I wasn't anticipating having to video it with one hand. I don't have a good camera situation because I'm not really into the videoing thing, but I need you to see how to do this properly, okay? So I'm just doing a little section, so because I'm only using one hand, okay? So just get it on there nice and, you know, get a lot on there, okay? See, it's already starting. It doesn't take long. It doesn't need you to move to another section. You need to do like a 2 by 3 feet section, and that's it. So, all right, so let me get the last bit of this. Let me just set that there. All right, so let me get the last bit of this. There you go. And here's the last bit. All right, so scoop that shit right up here. I'm just getting it nice and wet. Okay. No, get it nice and wet, all right? All right. Now that's nice and wet, you get a disgusting brush. And don't skip this part, because this part is the most important part, because this mixes the clear coat see this with the aircrafts. All right, got that. Next you get your spatula, all right, and then you get the spatula and I can't do this with one hand, guys, but you get the idea, right? That's what you do. You spatula it all right, I'm just going to do tiny sections so that you can understand. You spatula should just all come off one easy peasy little scrape like that. You got it? All right, so it all comes off. You got it all off. Should come off real easy. Okay? If it doesn't come off easy, that means you haven't used enough aircraft stripper. Then you get lacquer thinner. Okay? Lacquer thinner. That's right. You get your rag and you put lacquer thinner on. You get it nice and wet. All right? All right, let's see if I can get it back over here. Sorry about the camera work. You get it nice and wet.